And we're live. It's Sam, just soloing here. Just noticed, oh gosh, what a bug on the site. Just going to try and fix it. I've already wrapped the bug in a test. Basically, the problem is that this less than 10 minutes till start thing that we sorted out, it's basically checking. It's working fine. It's checking that it's 10 minutes till the start of the event, and then, but when the event is actually, in progress from the point of view of the start time and the finish time, that returns false. And so what that means at the moment is that if you don't try and start the event before the actual time, as soon as that time rolls around when it's supposed to start, suddenly the hangout button disappears, which is really, really, really bad from a point of view of usability, I would say. So this always gets me the wrong way round. Thank you. I want the event there. So we've got this. We've got this method. Where's the method? Less than 10 till start. So we're asking, is the time now greater than the next occurrence with time minus 10 minutes? And we kind of, And I guess the problem is that the next occurrence with time, we basically need another method here, I guess, which would say, like, I would almost say it's like within, I guess, before end time or something. So we need to kind of like say here, return true if before current end time or something like that. So actually, as I'm just coding in, I have actually added a feature test and then a spec for this. We've got, then the question is, have we already got end date, instance end time? So we've got an instance end time. I'm worried that's gonna. But so if we here we would need to ask the next current event with time plus duration. Is that right? Current times 60. So we're kind of going like time now less than. Basically, we have to keep the thing okay. So now that breaks all the other sets. So then we've got returns false. Event sequence has been terminated, returns false. Event starts 20 minutes from now, returns false. Event finished 10 minutes ago, returns false. So we're asking the question here, is it before the end time? And I think that's, let's come in here and look closely at this situation. This is the first one there. Oh dear. Oh, I was just writing about a blog about improving the usability of the site. Oh, I feel like this is such a stupid change. Okay, so can we ask before current end time there returns true? And that's because if we do time now, we get that, and if we So the current time is that. Right, it's got to be, it's not just before current end time, it's kind of within duration. If within event duration is actually what we need there, isn't it? So within it's, which is sort of generating more, but so there's, I guess this is actually before current end time. I've got before current end, so it's like, have we got anything? No. Okay. So here we can say, and what we want to say here is within current event duration, and we've got after current start time and for, there we go. So, and we've got before, and then let's take greater than this. Wonder how that does. 639, is that the set of them? Oh, now we might get some more failures there. Let's. Okay, so now here, so that's still failing. So the event started 5 minutes ago and has not ended yet. So let's run that one. Okay. Let's get in there with the bybog. So we're in here. So we're asked, we're getting within the current event duration is false. Oh, it's, so what is the what time now? 23:30. This is supposedly the end time. Yeah. And this is the start time. So time now. Right. Right. The problem, right, with this next event occurrence with time is that's leaping ahead to the next event. Oh, once again, next event occurrence plus duration. Ugh. Time 11:30 there. Next event occurrence with time plus the duration is like 10 minutes. Right, it's okay, it's like not within that at all, but okay. And so what is this one that's first 59? This is the one that I've just created. Okay, so that's actually, oh, we're time travel there. That's my test that's wrong. So event started 5 minutes ago. So that needs to be 25. Okay. Let's continue that. It's painful that the startup time there is so slow. The bybug, and I guess what I that needs to be returning true at that point. It returns false again. The time now is equal to 23:30 still, and the next event occurrence with time is 20:25, which is 5 minutes ago, and the oh goodness me. Okay, yeah, so that's in between. So I would have thought that we get time now false. Next event. No, right. It's the other way around. I thought we established last time that basically having, what is this? I guess it has to be this way around then. So the time is after the start. How can it be? So we're saying it's before the end of the event. Really? What? Before current end time. What? I mean, this time now, no, it should be, I guess, larger. Okay, no, maybe it is like that. Okay. The time now should be larger than the, what? Time now. Oh, there's like a different, it's jumping. Okay, yeah, it's right. It's jumping forward to the next. It's jumping forward to the next date based on the time. So is there a way to get, what are we doing here? We're getting next occurrence with time. Right, the problem is it looks ahead for the next one. Oh. I guess what we have to do is that yeah, it's both of them are putting them on. We need basically, instead of this being next. Okay. Can we do a comparison and ignore the dates? Oh man. Basically, as soon as the event has started, this is going to trip over to the next event, like in a week or in a day or what have you. And we need a mechanism of working out the current. I mean, we've got. Got to understand this ice cube thing better. What have we got? What have we got available from Ice Cube? Ruby date recurrence library. Well, I guess I can ask if it occurs between a certain. I'm looking at these ice cube issues here. I mean, what we want to say is if it's got, is there an in progress? Huh. I mean, I guess so. We could come over here to do bundle open ice cube. I did mean ice underscore cube. How did you know? Right, no specs. Okay. What are the questions? I guess the questions we can ask of a schedule. I don't, is it occurring at? I mean, I guess the question is there. So we got. Can I ask about the current event? Self dot. Can I do self dot public methods minus object dot public methods control A control E dot sort. So we've included occurrences between. We can basically talk about self.schedule is an ice cube schedule. Okay. So then we can say occurring at question mark time now. Undefined. Oh, no. Okay. We've got an event here and a time now. It's 38. So it should. No. Okay. Let's do that again. Okay. So self dot schedule occurring at question mark time now. False. We've got time now self. So it's 23:30 according to that. So it should be well. Is there an event in progress? Occurs on, occurring between, inclusive of its duration. Occurring between. Conflict with occurs at bells. Occurs at? Occurs out is supposed to check if the schedule occurs, and that actually reaches out to occurs between and just passes the thing. Return a boolean in the cars is occurring between 2 times, inclusive of its duration. No, right. That's I guess I would like to be able to ask if there is a, is the event currently in progress? Oh dear. Can we just say something like current? Okay. Event is in progress or currently running. Is there some method to call on schedule to ask if an event is currently in progress? I.e., that the time now is after the start time of the previous event and before its end. And I guess I sort of almost answered my own question there. Because answer my own question there, wrong thing. Oh, go away. That one, which is, we basically need to ask about the previous event, don't we? So we've got next or previous occurrences from now. So can I say something along the lines of self.schedule.previous occurrence time.now is there? And so it's actually that, is that just the way in here, if we have it, rather than asking about the next of occurrence with time, what is that? Dot class. Can I ask something like this? And will that? Okay, I think that might be it actually. So, right, could that conceivably work? Let's continue that. Let's run it again. Okay. Right. That's green. Okay. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. All right. So, 39. Okay, so that possibly makes my set of related things all green. And the rest of the event model. Okay, I'm not. So it should say less than 10 till start or running. I mean, it all depends on how you interpret that, isn't it? But so in principle now, my spec passing, I now have, I can check my feature tests, and we can have a quick look. Does that do the expected behavior? Thinking about it. Maybe it doesn't. Oh, we've got a failure. Okay, but then I've got to go and so it didn't find that for my steps. I should see the hangout button. It's kind of annoying that we've got broken one of the other ones. What's it done? So we look at the show event feature. Trying to determine which of these has failed. It's saying 25. It's saying it should be present 5 minutes before the event. Is that a different failure from the one that I had before? Go back to the previous one here. Previously failing on 24. Now it's failing on 25. So let's have a look at 6:55. It should be visible 10 minutes before the event. Basically, if you're in that should still be. Why should that be failing? Oh, good Lord. Okay, so you're saying this one is failing. If we go back, if we remove that, so this is right. Does it occur on that day? Is the date wrong or something? That should be within the duration. Okay, that passes. And now if we introduce this, how can that cause it to fail? Unless I've misinterpreted which one failed there. That's saying 25. Line 25 failed. It should be visible on there. All I'm telling it to do there is to return true if it's within the current event duration. I guess there's maybe some. Is there some error occurring there that it's? Oh, I guess that must be causing some sort of error that I'm not seeing. Let's remove the danger of those. So what error are we hiding there? Comparison of time with nil failed, 214. I guess if there's not a previous occurrence. And so I'm tempted in these ones. Oh, God. So I guess in some situations, there's going to be no event 214. Here, there's going to be no previous occurrence. So basically the answer, I mean, I think it's going to have, I think it's that. Okay. Should we just try it like that? Let's try it like that. Oh, man. Stupid. Okay, so that passes. Oh, goodness me. All right. Okay, so hopefully that should all... Right, so we've got a set of things there. I mean, this is not until schedule start time and while event is running. I mean, I guess if the Hangout terminates before time, then someone should be allowed to restart it. That's fair enough. Okay, so that's all passing. Oh, good grief. So git commit -am adjusts event show page to include Hangout button while event during event duration, if not actually already live. Git push origin 1163. Oh Christ. Well, that made for a more interesting morning. Hub pull request -b develop. Okay. Insert fixes 1163. Escape WQ. That's a pull request. Let's get the please check on that. Pull requests. Label please check. We'll post that after Raoul. Okay. Uncovered a bit of a usability bug. Let me know if you have a chance to review. If not, if you're too busy, that's fine. I'll move it along myself and deploy with Michael. I think this is critical to get out. Okay. Oh, there we go. Well, I think we have a fix in there. I mean, yeah, I mean, there were people. Yeah. So this person, it's like, but you've got it. And then there's other separate thing. I'm like, why does this not even have? Is that because it's not on Tuesdays, maybe? He's got it repeating every day. I don't know why that wouldn't appear today. Anyway. Oh, goodness. But I think that's a separate issue because many of the other one, that's not affecting lots of other people. Obviously, some people have managed to create their events, but that just shuts people down, doesn't it? Oh, goodness me. Anyway, well, hopefully that's a fix it. All right, well, I'll give that, wrap that up there. Woohoo! Bye for now.